Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. They have a 1988 Bentley 8. Beautiful two-owner car. Turnkey. Runs and drives perfect. Air blows nice and cold. Gorgeous color. Always garage kept. It's got like new tires all the way around. Exceptional condition. Transmission was rebuilt about 3 months ago. Doesn't need anything. Ready to enjoy. Beautiful, well-appointed interior, all-weather floor mats. It's like tan with a maroon piping to match the exterior. $70,330 miles. Beautiful wood. Perfect dash. We have all the owner's manuals. Seatbelts. Runs perfect. Air blows nice and cold too. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. That's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot and have a great day.